Hello and good afternoon. So I went ahead and came to CVS. So I went ahead and did the Garnier Fruit Juice Treatment Hair Care Deal. I had a 3 off of 12 shampoo or conditioner CRT. So I ended up getting 4 of those, and they're 2 for $7, which means $14. I had 4 off of 2 manufacturer coupons. For some reason, the system only took 1, so that's $4 that was not taken off of my subtotal. Okay. Also, they have the General Mills deal. I had a 1 off of 5 General Mills CRT loaded to my card. In addition to that, there was a $1 off of 2 manufacturer digital coupon as well. And they had 3 different kinds. So I ended up getting 2 of the Frosted Flakes with the Lucky Charms, and then the original one. In addition to that, I went ahead and did the Maybelline deal. I had a CRT and a manufacturer coupon. They are on sale, buy one get one 50% off. I had a 2 off of 1 CRT for the for the lashes, and that was in the 1-5 beauty book. In addition to eyeliner, and the eyeliner was a 1 off of 1 manufacturer coupon. I also did the Almay deal, and the Almay deal, I had a 5 off of any Almay product. In addition to that, there was a 5 off of 25 Almay products. So I ended up getting 3 Almay products. I used 2 off of 1 eye products and 2 off of 1 lip products and 1 eye care item. And then the Revlon, I used the BOGO coupon in the 1-5 Smart Source. That is buy 1 item, eye care or lip product and get 1 free. And I had a 5 off of 1 CRT. Here are the items that I purchased. This is the Almay. This is the Maybelline items. That is the Revlon. In addition to that, I got 4 of these. Okay. And 2 of these. And 1 regular. Okay. So then, here is all my manufacturer coupons. CRTs, I had a 5 off of 25. 5 off of 1 Almay Cosmetics, 5 off of 1 Revlon Cosmetics, a 3 off of 12 Cosmetics, 3 off of 12 Hair Care, and there is a CRT. That's the 2 off of 1 manufacturer coupon, 1 off of 5 CVS coupon, and then I used a $10 and a $5 ECB. I could have used another $5 ECB, but I'm trying to find the Glucerama snack bars because I want to roll that $5 ECB. So I ended up, my subtotal was $13.21. So I used $15 in ECBs, and I ended up getting a 4, an 8, a 4, and a 5. So that is 12, 16, and 5. That is $21. I got $21 back, and so I rolled 15 and I got 5. So that ended up being $8 for everything that I ended up getting. But in addition to that, I do believe, I will be getting $6 in ECBs because this transaction was $82.45 that ended up going towards beauty. So I'm close to getting, I'm getting 6 back in addition to that. So it ended up coming out to $3 for everything that I purchased here after the beauty box. All right. So I ended up saving 86% according to this. All right. Well, you guys have a nice day, and Sorry. So yeah, I still, if I wanted to keep on rolling, I can do the deal more times, but I don't have any more of those CRTs that would help me lower out of pocket for this. So, but other than that, I'm good to go. You guys have a nice one.